So y'all, please pray for my husband. He has this condition. It's called penitis. He steals pens from his job and he leaves them around the house. I think he's addicted. I found 2 here. I found more, you guys. He's addicted. Here's one. I think there's more in here. Oh, Lord Jesus. Here's another one. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Is there another one in here? Oh, Lord. Oh, thank God. Okay, this is a different company. Oh, he's doing it at his church too. I found this one. Just lying here. It was just lying here. I looked up and found another one on the counter. Lord Jesus. Please pray for Rodney. Why, babe? Why? Why do you steal so many pens? I didn't realize when I married you that you had penitis. I didn't know it was this bad.
I'm okay.
Yes. Hey. Trying to do it all cute for the video.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!